A young creator uploaded videos every week, but no one watched them. One day, a mentor smiled and said, "Stop uploading blindly. Learn YouTube SEO. First, find what people are searching for using YouTube search, Google Trends, or keyword tools. Second, create a clickable title with your main keyword. Third, design a thumbnail that makes people curious enough to click. Fourth, write a keyword-rich description and add relevant hashtags. Fifth, keep viewers watching with a strong hook in the first 10 seconds and valuable content until the end. Sixth, use playlists, end screens, and cards to increase watch time. Finally, study YouTube analytics. Improve your CTR, audience retention, and watch time after every upload. Months later, the same creator looked at his dashboard. Views turned into thousands. Subscribers kept growing. The mentor smiled again and said, "You don't beat the algorithm. You understand your audience and the algorithm follows." Master YouTube SEO. Master YouTube marketing. Build your brand. Grow your future.